Let's open some LOL mini sweets. Yeah! Walking away. Whoa! Whoa! What is that? I don't know this code. Huh? And what is in there? Hey, let me. Never mind. I got it. Huh? Where's the second one? It went missing. Mini sweets number 3. Let's go, guys. Wait a minute. Guys, this is the last one for our video. Let's get something cool. One layer to go. Ooh, they're different colors. Oh, no. Red and yellow. Is it really red or yellow? I don't know. Okay, let's door number 1. Let's open it, guys. Ooh. Oh, I got this beautiful skirt. It looks like a rainbow. Are you gonna get the rainbow? Door number 2. Whoa! Hey, get the bag. Get the bag. Wow, it's a pink bag. It says Blow Pop. Oh. Whoa, this looks like a rainbow too. Door number 4. Whoa. Whoa, it looks like a rainbow with dots. Let me check the, wait, I need to check the outside for a second if they have a rainbow. Oh, they don't have it. Door number 5. So little. That's a shoe. Okay, door number 6. Wow, another pink shoe. Okay, let's open the tiny one first. Oh, okay, here's her stand. And also the big one. Oh, wow, a bow. Ooh, a lollipop. We finally got a candy. Now let's turn around. Oh, it's easy. Whoa! Oh, it's Bubblegum Girl. She's so cute. She even has socks. Oh my gosh, guys. We got a heart. Oh my gosh, guys. We got 2 ultra rares in one video. This is the epic video. Wow, we have a bubblegum. I love bubblegums. Now, guys, get ready for dress up time. Yay! First, let's put on her bow. OMG, it's gorgeous! Now let's put on her rainbow skirt. Put on! And her beautiful top. Aww, her bow matches her outfit. Now, her gorgeous pink shoes. Ooh, adorable! Now where's her bubble gum? Oh, it was right here. Oh, I dropped it. Yes, I found it! Now, bubblegum. Perfect. Now let's give her adorable bag. And let's put her sippy cup inside. Wow, gorgeous. Yay! Now she can walk with it and drink it. Wow, she's carrying her sippy cup. Guys, what a great day. Look at them! I love them. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.